Hey there, ready to whip up some kitchen magic? Today we're diving into the world of hand mixers, where convenience meets deliciousness. Join us on a journey through the best hand mixers of 2024. Ever dreamt of effortless baking? Well, get ready to discover the warmth of the perfect mix with these amazing gadgets. From fluffy cakes to creamy frosting, these hand mixers have got you covered. I have listed my top picks just for you, so say goodbye to clunky appliances and hello to streamlined mixing bliss. Plus, stick around till the end because the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So whether you're a seasoned baker or a newbie in the kitchen, get ready to take your culinary skills to the next level. Let's whip up some fun and make cooking an absolute breeze. Number 5. Sharper Hand Mixer. It's a great choice for those who value performance and convenience. This bad boy comes in a sleek silver color, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. Let's talk about performance. Packing a punch with a 450-watt motor, this mixer is ready to tackle any mixing task you throw its way. You've got 5-speed control to dial in the perfect mix, and if you need an extra boost, just hit the turbo function for some extra oomph. Now, let's talk about attachments. This mixer comes with 5 stainless steel attachments, including beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, covering all your mixing needs. Plus, it comes with a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. And the best part? Free after-sales service. With a 2-year guarantee and a satisfaction promise, you can mix away worry-free. Number 4. Braun HM5100WH. This buddy impresses with its best efficiency and sleek design. It'll blend right into your kitchen setup, and it's compact and easy to handle. Let's talk about power. With 350 watts, this mixer packs a punch, making quick work of your mixing tasks. Thanks to smart mix technology, the motor design shifts the weight into the bowl, reducing the effort on your hand. Cleanup is a breeze with the easy clean design, keeping everything sealed and dishwasher safe. Plus, the Vario Control speed dial makes adjusting the speed super simple. With attachments like the multi-whisk and sturdy dough hooks, you've got everything you need for various tasks. Number 3. Black Plus Deca Hand Mixer. And this stands out as my top choice for those seeking the best simplicity and reliability in a hand mixer. With adjustable speed control, you can customize your mixing experience effortlessly. This mixer boasts 6 speeds, giving you plenty of options to tackle any recipe. And with 250 watts of power and a voltage of 120 volts, it's got enough oomph to handle your mixing needs. Wait, there's more. Cleanup is a breeze too. Thanks to its dishwasher-safe design, just pop the attachments in and you're good to go. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Vintage. This adds a touch of retro charm to the kitchen while delivering the best powerful mixing performance. This mixer isn't just about looks, it's got some serious mixing chops. Guess what? With a powerful DC motor, it can handle everything from whipped cream to mashed potatoes with ease. Plus, it runs quietly, so no need to worry about waking up the whole house. The slow start technology is a game changer, preventing messy splatters by gradually increasing mixing speed. And with 5 speeds and a quick burst button, you can tackle any mixing job effortlessly. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe design, and the convenient snap-on storage case keeps everything organized. Number 1. KitchenAid Hand Mixer. Finally, this buddy hand mixer took the top spot as the best overall. It's gonna look pretty snazzy on your countertop, and it's compact and easy to store. Now, what makes this mixer stand out? Well, for starters, KitchenAid is the #1 mixer brand in the world, so you know you're getting quality. With Flex Edge Peters, you get 2 times more the surface area for faster, more thorough mixing. Plus, with 6 speeds to choose from, you can tackle any mixing task with ease. And cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe design. I love the integrated storage clip too, keeping your accessories neatly organized. Alright folks, that wraps up our rundown of the best hand mixers of 2024. We've explored some top-notch options to level up your baking game. Now it's time to pick your favorite and get mixing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow bakers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy mixing, everyone!